How to find your Twitter username and password. In today's video, I'll show you how to find your Twitter username and recover your password if you've forgotten them. If you've forgotten your Twitter username, the easiest way to find it is by checking your email inbox. Just go to your Gmail, tap on your profile at the top right corner and make sure you're using the Gmail account that is connected to your Twitter. Once you're sure you're in the correct Gmail account, go to the three horizontal bars at the top and simply tap on all inboxes. Here at the top, you can find an option that says search in mail. Simply tap on it and search for Twitter. Now simply tap on the mail that was sent to you by Twitter. Here you can see an option that says to me. Simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll be able to see your username over there. Likewise, to find your password, what you need to do is tap on your mail at the top and simply go to manage your account. From there, go to security. Now scroll down until you find an option that says password managers or passwords and simply tap on see all connections. Now here you'll need to simply find for the Twitter so that we can get the password of our Twitter account. To tap on Twitter and you can simply tap on see details, and here you'll find an option to view your Twitter password. Simply tap on it, and that's how you can simply find your Twitter username and password.